Today, I'll show you how to install a truck camper Pop-Up X. First, attach the support legs. Step 2, lower the support legs steadily. Next, we'll install the auxiliary support bars. Measure the height. It must exceed the height of the truck's tailgate. Now, slowly back the truck in. Then connect the DC to DC charging cable and the signal cable. After connecting the signal cable, test the brake and clearance lights. Once confirmed, turn the crank. Carefully lower the camper down onto the truck. Once the camper is fully installed and properly positioned, remove the support legs and make sure to secure it firmly from the inside for safety.
From the inside, pull the straps. Take them out, carefully attach them to the tensioners, and then tighten the ratchet straps.
Once all 4 tensioners inside are tightened, the installation is complete.